Hello, my name is Madison Perry, and I'm a student at Texas Tech University enrolled in the Retail Management Research class. I conducted my research on how website attributes affect Generation Z's purchase intentions and buying behavior. I chose this topic since Generation Z is so used to technology. I wanted to see what they look into as they look on a website. The background and purpose. Even with Generation Z being so large, not much research has been conducted on how website attributes affect their purchases. The study attempts to determine the buying behavior and purchase intentions of Generation Z through website attributes. Generation Z is a generation reaching adulthood in the second decade of the 21st century and is perceived as being familiar with the internet. This generation has been used to the internet since they were old enough to speak. With that, they know all the capabilities and features that a website can have. Based on these findings, hypotheses were created to test these assumptions. An online survey was developed to measure how website attributes affect Generation Z male and female consumer purchase intentions or buying behavior with online shopping. I used proportional stratified random sampling to determine my participants. Undergraduates, as well as graduate students from a major university in the southwestern United States, were recruited using social media, such as Facebook, as well as text messages, where the survey was sent to them, over a 2-week period. 29 respondents participated in this study. However, only 22 were usable responses for this study. Data analysis. Rank how important the following website attributes are to your buying decision when making online purchases. This was the first question that I used to determine my hypothesis in the survey. A 5-point Likert scale was created with endpoints ranging from extremely important to not important at all. The results showed the most valuable attribute, the median of 1, and an IQR of 1, show that participants find it extremely and most important to have the ability to read reviews or comments on the product. The second hypothesis question I asked was, having the ability to easily navigate the website, does that affect your decision on making a purchase with that retailer? A nominal scale was created with a range between never and always, so that participants find it important most of the time to be able to easily navigate a website to stay on that retailer. The third hypothesis question. How do certain website attributes affect how long you shop online? Using a 5-point Likert scale with endpoints always to never was used. A median of 1.5 and an IQR of 2 show that participants find it important most of the time to have a search bar. Nominal scales showed that most of the participants, to be exact 75.86%, were female. The rest were male. The most common age was between 18 and 21 years old. And majority, 62.50% to be exact, had over $151 in discretionary income to spend each month. Findings and conclusions. The findings revealed that Generation Z consumers' purchase intentions tend to be affected by website attributes. The amount of income and what a consumer buys does affect how often a consumer can make online purchases. However, if the online retailer does not offer enough features, then the consumer will not want to continue shopping there. These results are comparable and similar to Lajha, who studied purchasing decisions and how to influence customers to shop on your retailer. The study shows how simply having an easy-to-find buttons can keep customers interested on that specific retailer's site. Website attributes does have an effect on the purchase intentions and buying behavior of Generation Z consumers.